Morning folks, we're just going to be doing a little review of the Ulanzi Hummingbird quick release plate, the R072. I've been using this for probably 12 months now. Use it mostly on the GoPro. Just a quick release, which is the bottom plate is screwed straight to the bottom of my GoPro. I changed the fingers on the bottom of my GoPro for the ones where you can screw in, and then there we go. Simple. So basically you've got your mounting plate. You can either, like, bottom of a tripod, or like me, you can use the fingers and you just pop it in that way, and then screw it in as per, and then your mounting plate goes on the bottom of your camera, and the narrow end goes in first. It just pops in. Oh, there we go. A little bit stiff, that one. Hasn't been used for a while. So there we go. The Hummingbird quick release from Ulanzi. I also have it. I've got like a selfie type stick. I've got it on there. Also with that stupid GoPro audio adapter that you've got to use. But yeah. So if I'm doing like a time lapse, I'll put it on the little mini tripod. If I'm just doing general vlogs to camera, I will use this setup. I've also, I don't know if you're interested, but I've replaced my battery door for one of these ones that now you can open to get a cable in, because when I'm doing sort of time lapses, you only get a certain, especially night lapses, I can plug in and use a power bank. I can sort of do a night lapse all night long. Anyhow, just a quick look at the Ulanzi Hummingbird R072. Thanks for watching.